Welcome back to my channel. In today's class, we'll be discussing about active and passive voice. Look at the following sentences. Ram helps Janu. Janu is helped by Ram. Now, these two sentences give the same meaning. But in sentence 1, Ram is the subject, and in sentence 2, Janu is the subject. In sentence 1, the subject, that is Ram, is doing the action. Ram is helping Janu, and therefore the subject is the doer of the action of helping. But in sentence 2, Janu is the subject and she is being helped by Ram. Janu, the subject, becomes the receiver of the action here. Therefore, in sentence 1, the subject does the action and therefore it comes under active voice. And in sentence 2, the subject Janu. The subject receives a particular action and therefore it comes under passive voice. Here are a few more examples. Under active voice, the peon opened the gate. Under passive voice, the gate was opened by the peon. Under active voice, the peon is the subject. The peon opened the gate. The subject is the doer of the action here, therefore it comes under active voice. Whereas in passive voice, the gate was opened by the peon. The gate is the subject here and it is being opened by the peon. So the subject is receiving a particular action and therefore it comes under passive voice. Then, who did this? By whom was this done? When you question directly, it comes under active voice. Who did this? But under passive voice, you would say, by whom was this done? This table is very important for you to remember. Now, under simple present, you have take and takes. For example, I take medicines. She takes medicines. This is under active voice. But under passive voice, the same sentence would become, medicines are taken by me. Medicine is taken by me. Under present continuous, you normally know that whenever a sentence in continuous, you add ing after verb. Here the verb is take. So behind take you add ing and it becomes taking, taking. For example, I am taking care of my mother. She is taking care of her mother. They are taking care of their mother. Under passive voice, the same sentence would become, their mother is taken care by them. Their mothers are being taken care by them. Under present perfect, she has taken things for granted. They have taken things for granted. Under passive voice, you would say, things have been taken granted by them. Things has been taken for granted by them. Things have been taken for granted by them. Next, simple past. She took good care of her mother. Her mother was taken good care of. They were taken good care of. Under past continuous, he was taking tablets regularly. Tablets were being taken regularly by him. And under past perfect, he had taken my book. My book had been taken by him. That comes under passive voice. Under simple future, I will take care of you. Under passive voice, you will be taken care by me. I shall take you to the hospital. You shall be taken to the hospital by me. Under can, must, may, you will say, I can take care of you. Under passive voice, you can be taken care by me. I must take care of my parents. Under passive voice, my parents must be taken care of by me. Thank you so much for patiently listening.